Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan here, and right now I'm with my student Amy from United States, and I'm gonna show you the results. By the way, how are you, Amy?
I'm fine, thank you.
And how are you feeling today when you're seeing these continuous sales?
Very excited. I can't believe that we've made this much money, and it's all because of your coaching and your help.
I appreciate the kind words. Now I'll just refresh this screen right now quickly, and uh, so far, Annie has made, let's see. So if uh so as you can see right now, $700, $88, $291, $636, $229. Now, if we go to the reporting section here, and if we just check the total money, uh let's say, yep, reporting, and I'll just go to transactions here, reporting, transactions, and I'm going to select the date here from 1st of Feb to 28th of Feb. I'll just go to the overview to make things simple.
Yeah.
So in total, from 1st of Feb to 28th of Feb, you've spent like $608. Okay. And if
Yes.
I select 1st of Feb, 1st Feb to 28th Feb, okay, and click go. So you've made like almost $1,446. Okay.
Yes.
Now, in total, if I just select the total amount that you've made from 1st of January to until today, 3rd of March, and I click go. So you have made, can you read this, Annie? How much is
Two,
this?
yes, $2,473.21. And I've been trying to make money on Clickbank for years, and I've never made anything close to this. But with your help and your coaching, it's possible. Thank you very much, Shabir.
You're very much welcome, Annie, and uh, all these kind words, because I do all this hard work just so that people are able to get results, and you are a true witness of that. So
Yes, I
I
am. I
just,
never would have thought it was possible.
I'm really happy for you, and thank you for all the kind words. Guys, if you are watching this video maybe on YouTube or Facebook or wherever, if you're watching this on YouTube, you should see a link in the description, and you can reach out to me, and you can get in touch with me to enroll into my coaching program. And yep, so that being said, thank you for watching, and see you on the inside.